Alright guys, real quick, I'm going to show you how to install this handle. What you'll receive in the package is this basically right here. You got your lock nut, 2 washers, bearings, and the handle. This handle is printed out of TPU, which is a flexible filament, so it kind of has this rubber feel. It's not hard plastic like others. You can see it's got a little flex here. So first off, you got your APP. This won't work with the deluxe handle. You need a standard handle like this one. You're going to take this Phillips and remove the old handle. I use 8mm hardware for this, which means that this bolt will not fit this 1/4" size handle, as you can see. So I take a drill bit. This is 21/64, or any size that will allow you to get 8mm through there. You're just going to take this and drill right through that, just like that. It's not real hard to drill through. You will need to drill on the drill bit though. Once you've drilled it, take your handle, put a washer, I almost forgot that one, put it through there, another washer, and then the lock nut. If you want, you can take a file or some sandpaper and clean up where you just drilled that, but it'll be alright. So kind of start that on there. Then you'll need 13mm. That's what this size is. Fits right on there. I just take a crescent, and then you're just going to tighten this up. Don't over tighten this because this is TPU, and you can see, maybe you can see on the video, that this is already starting to flex because it's pushing this, because this isn't solid hard plastic. All you need though is just to get it on there to where the bolt's just barely protruding through the nut, and that is plenty tight. And now you will no longer have the callus from that other handle. I've got 3 of these presses, and these will be going on all my presses, except for the deluxe, of course, because the deluxe already has that roller handle. I may be making one of these for the deluxe eventually, and try to work all that out. But anyway, that's all there is to this, installing this. You see it on my eBay listing, and it's free rolling because of those bearings. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.